Guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a Word document on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. Go to your home page, and on this left side column you can find a bunch of icons, so tap on the Word button. And here you can select from the document types: new blank document, general notes, APA style paper or MLA style paper, open house flyer, and so on. So here, if you want to search for or select from more templates, then tap on the more templates button and you can select one of these options, tap on it, the relevant one that you would like to use, and you will be directed to a site. You might wait a few seconds till it loads in. Then you will be able to create your document. As you can see, here is the title, so just delete it and type in your own title and just start personalizing or customizing your Google or Word document. Here at the top you can find these options. You can change the font size, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.